Nvidia is set to launch a new AI chip for China in June, priced between $6,500 and $8,000, significantly lower than the now restricted H20 model, which sold for $10,000 to $12,000. The new chip, part of Nvidia's Blackwell architecture, will have weaker specs and simpler manufacturing to comply with US export restrictions. It's based on the RTX Pro 6000D, uses GDDR7 memory, and avoids advanced tech like TSMC's CoWoS packaging. The chip is expected to reach 1.7 terabytes per second memory bandwidth, just within US regulatory limits. As Nvidia navigates tightening US export restrictions, its latest chip for China represents a strategic move to maintain presence in a vital $50 billion market, despite regulatory hurdles and rising competition from Huawei. That's it for today's breakdown. Nvidia's latest move shows just how quickly the AI hardware landscape is shifting, especially under global pressure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech, AI, and innovation. Got thoughts on Nvidia's new chip or the future of AI in China? Drop them in the comments. We love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.